At Fantasy Art Workshop's Illustration Intensive, you'll get one-on-one guided instruction, listen to informative lectures about process and the illustration industry, and you'll watch exciting demos where professionals share their many traditional and digital tips and techniques. Plus, you'll create your own great art and become part of a fun and welcoming community. The intensive is 5 solid days led by industry pros in the gaming, comics, concept, and editorial fields. Here's a look at this year's guests and faculty. So make 2019 the year you commit to art. Come join us at Fantasy Art Workshop's Illustration Intensive, June 17th through the 21st. Learn more at illustrationintensive.com.